Hello, welcome to this video for the Sept Ibiza. It's the 1.4 Toca, T-O-C-A. It's a Toca, it's a limited edition. As you can see, it's in a very attractive colour combination. The gloss black wheels, gloss black roof and gloss black wing mirrors. So this is a 63 registration, 2013, 1.4, is it 8 valves? I think it's the 8 valve engine, this one. We'll start on the bodywork. So everything is very good. The wing mirrors have actually been vinyl wraps as well, so is the roof. It's vinyl wrapped roof, so it is vinyl. It is removable, so if you don't like the black wing mirrors or the black roof panel, that simply peels off. Obviously the alloy wheels are painted, as you can see, and these have just recently been refurbished as well, so they're totally unmarked, as you can see. Very nice shiny gloss black. All the tyres are like brand new, and the paintwork is immaculate as well, so a very good example. We'll start on this panel here. As you can see, there's nothing to report. Very clean. The windscreen's in good condition. There's no cracks. There may be an odd little chip just there. You see, right in the middle of the screen's a little tiny chip, which I should mention to you. I actually didn't pick that up on the MOT, to be fair. So a little tiny one there, and that is about it, on this vehicle. That is it. So everything's nice. The grille, it's all intact. All the chrome work's nice. The lights, lenses are really nice and clear, so there's no yellowing on the lenses at all. The bonnet is super clean. Brake discs are really good as well. The front brake discs are really good. There's no lips on them. All the pads are really good. No advisories on the MOT. And like I said, that wheel there, just been refurbished, so it's like brand new. It has got the locking wheel bolts as well there. So it's got the locking wheel bolt. That wing's very clean. That glass there is very clean as well. That wing mirror there, it's nice. Obviously vinyl wrapped roof. That door panel, immaculate. That rear quarter as well, immaculate. So there's the alloy wheel there. No scuffs or scratches on the corners of the bumpers at all. All the lights are clear. Look inside the fuel cap, it's nice and clean. Obviously it is the petrol 95 or 91 RON. Okay, so that's the outside of the car. It's complete. Let's go to the inside. The boot. Okay, we've got the parcel shelf, the strings are there, nice and intact as well. This has got the aftermarket privacy glass pack, and there is just one tiny little nick just there on the glass, which I must make you aware of the film. So from the outside you can hardly see it. Just about, wait a minute, it is there. Oh, wait a minute, there. So you can, it's not really visible, but when you open the boot, you can see that little tiny little bit of a tear, and that's it. Okay, it's got this boot tray here, this plastic tray instead of the carpet. Lift that up, it's got the wooden panel, and then it's got no spare wheel. These never came with a spare wheel, it came with the tyre repair kit, which that one is a new one. So that's a new one because I don't know if you know, tyre foam kits have a 5-year lifespan. So you have to replace them every 5 years. So that's a new one. That in this little bag there is your locking wheel nut. So that's in that little red bag. All this is nice and clean here. This plastic is not damaged. The rubber seal is there in one piece. Nothing's been dragged there, and the top of the bumper is relatively clean. There's nothing out of the ordinary at all. Up here is very clean as well, all around the tailgate and up there as well. All that's nice and clean. There's nothing green growing around there. Okay, all right, let's go to this side, the passenger side door. Let's open that. Very clean. That's the door there, panels there, speaker grills, they're all intact, they're not broken. The door shuts are immaculate, the dashboard's nice and clean, the carpet's very clean there, the car mat, which is the fitted one as well, the tailor fitted one. You've got a little bit of a pen holder there, side of the seat, that's all nice and clean. And you've got these lovely seats. So obviously you've noticed that this vehicle has got these special Cupra sport seats, which are obviously a very expensive extra. So the owner of this vehicle decided he wanted these seats in and fitted them in. So they're here, lovely quilted, as they call them, quilted cloth they are. So pull that back, in the back they're the same, obviously no embroidered logo on the back ones. It's got the fitted car mat set down here, and then there's a drinks holder in the middle. There's 3 seat belts there and 2 rear headrests. Back of that seat's very clean. There's no rips or marks at all from people getting in and out. And this rubber seal here, that's nice and clean. There's no trap seat belt marks at all on that. So that's all very clean, even down there. So let's go to the other side. Take a look at the back again. As you can see, it's in very clean condition. Nothing broke. So these are all here as well. They all work. The springs are there. They're not broken. I know like some of the Fiestas break very easily on the Ford Fiestas, but not on this one. The door seal there, immaculate, very clean. The rubber's not worn. Very clean here. Electric wing mirrors, of course, electric windows, of course. That speaker grill's very clean, as you can see. The door shuts immaculate. The foot pedals all very clean and nice. There is a car mat there. It's all nice. It's tailor fitted as well, so it's got the little clips down there. That's all there. The seat is in very good condition. Very good condition. So the embroidered Cupra logo there. Everything is very tidy. Right, let's get into this vehicle. So, a nice place to be. So we've got the Garmin sat nav. Now this one looks like it hasn't been plugged in for a long time, and we believe that the battery inside that may be a bit flat or even gone now. So we're going to look into that, because it will want charging up again. So if we press the power button there, nothing seems to happen. So I think that the batteries in that has actually gone, because it automatically should charge. Because I don't think people have used it, because it's obviously what's this car, 63, so it's 2013 information on that card there. So whoever's using the this sat nav, it won't have the updated roads, etc. So 2000, that's 9 years ago. So that's 9 years. So what I can say, this is we'll take it that this doesn't work. That's what we're saying. We're going to try and get it going again, change the batteries, so it may be working by the time you get here. If so, bonus. If not, take it doesn't work and you'll just have to use your phone. Obviously your phone's more accurate, it's got live updates, it's got traffic information. That's just the old-fashioned sat nav. So there's the radio, of course, and then you've got your traction control light, you've got your air conditioning, which works as well. So that works. We've tested it. It's ice cold. It's very cold, to be fair, so it does work. You can hear the compressor kicking in and out. Down here you've got a 12 volt little coin tray, your drinks holder, your central locking button there, and your heated rear screen button. 5-speed manual gear lever, very smooth through the gears, no crunching, no rattly gear changes or crunching into gears, very smooth. All this is nice and tidy down here. You've also got your steering column volume stalk control, that's what that's called. And then so you've got your adjustment there for the steering column as well, indicator stalk, and then you've also got here, you've got your computer button there to set to your your mileage, set your clocks. So the mileage is 104,928. Okay, it's got some fuel in there, the light's not on, so it's what, quarter tank of fuel. On this stalk here, this is your wiper stalk. You've also got your trip computer, little buttons on the end which you press, and there's a reset button underneath as well. So okay, and reset, so you can obviously, I don't know if you can see them changes there, miles per hour, your degrees, 15.5 degrees at the moment, time, etc., and then your reset, all there. 2 keys, 2 remote control central locking keys, which is really good, and the light switch there as well. Your light switch, you've got your electric mirror switch, electric windows. Up here you've got your light switches, up here your map reading light switches. You've got your ultrasonic sensors for the alarm there as well. So that's your ultrasonic alarms. You've also got a little fly in here, look at that. And then you've got your sliding mirror there. Oh, it's broken, it's cracked. Oh, never mind, I'll try and get a replacement for that. Just spotted that, so we'll try and get a replacement for that one. What else have we got? So this vehicle's got good service history, really good service history. Just been MOT'd. Just been MOT'd, as you can see there. Where are we? Date passed 31st of the 5th, expires 30th of the 5th. Place in Sheffield did that one. The logbook, we've got the logbook here as well. I'm just trying to see how many owners it's had. 2 former keepers. So 2 former keepers. The logbook is here, and also, most importantly of all, we've got the receipt for the timing belt, which has just been done. Okay, so it says here, Sept, the reg number, the mileage, supply and fit new cam belt with water pump, change coolant, SKF cam belt kit with water pump, guides and tensioner antifreeze. So that's all there, and obviously the full receipt there. So that's good enough. So yeah, so very well maintained. That's what people want to see. A lovely clean car, and I must admit, this is a very clean car, very good looking car as well. I'm sure it'll be on the top of the desirability list, and I'm sure it won't be here for very long. So what else have we got to do? Like put all this away, put that in that glove box, and then let's look under the oh, we've got to go over there, reach over here. So that's the bonnet, pull just down here. So let me pull that, that's that. Let me go to under there. Alright, get out of here. Let's look under the bonnet. So it's just been serviced as well, serviced by us. Okay, so that's new antifreeze there with the cam belt kit. So brand new cam belt kit, tensioners and belts all down here, and then you can see everything is correct. It's got the battery clamp there, clamping on the battery. The battery looks to be the right size, so it fits in there. Antifreeze, screen wash right up to the top. So that's all being filled up. Very clean all around here. No leaves or trapped leaves, etc. So it's all clean, and all up here, all this has been cleaned as well by our man John. Those clouds look very nice today, and the aircon works, which is great. Okay, so let's just walk around the vehicle once more. If you've got a part exchange, please let us know with the registration and mileage, and we'll give you a quotation. This vehicle can be bought on finance, so we do provide finance. We are FCA registered, so we are licensed credit brokers. So please get in touch if you require finance. Obviously the interest rates on the finance are based on your credit score. So obviously the better credit score you've got, the more lenders are willing to lend you the money, and we'll simply choose the lowest rate possible for you. Obviously, if you've got bad credit history, there'll only be 1 or maybe 2 at best lenders, and they will set their rate because they think they're taking a risk. Okay, so that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.